So we get requests all the time to try different things we haven't seen before, and we're a pretty imaginative kind of company, so we really like seeing things that are different. So this particular project is one we just got in a couple of days ago, and it's a silver shield kit from what we believe is a vapor deposition targeting process. And what we'll do is we're going to chemically remove the silver from these little louvered sheets and all this fine mesh screen. It's pretty good amount of silver on there. And the goal is sometimes customers want this material back again. They want to reuse the shielding. So we have to remove the silver or gold or platinum from the shield kit and then return the parts to be reused again. We typically see these made out of titanium. It's a nice, strong material that can be reused a lot. And these particular ones, I think they're actually aluminum and/or stainless steel. And then there's some other smaller parts that came in that are just tiny screws that have small amounts of silver on the heads of the screws.
Gannon and Scott recover more, worry less.